Njengoba amaholide kaKhisimusi esesondele nabomthetho sebemi ngomumo ukuqinisekisa ezokuphepha. Ungqongqoshe wamaphoyisa ubheka icele othi udlame oluyamene nobulili buyingqinamba enkulu. Uphinde wakhala nangokungahlonishwa komthetho ezindaweni zokuzijuxuza.
Many people, they are raped in their own comfort zone. They are raped in their houses. They are raped by uncles. They are raped by fathers. So families and friends must get involved in these things. A woman before is killed by a boyfriend or by a husband, you can see something wrong is happening here. And all of us must get involved.
Ucele uthi basacubungula umbiko wabalimi esifundazweni malungana nokubulawa kaBrandon Hona eSenegal. Ubese dalula ukuthi bonke abanindeka icaleni lokubulawa kukaSenzo Meyiwa bazokhalelwa amasongo kaSigonyela.
This case has been long and police, they work very closely with prosecution and the warrants were given. We believe that for those things to happen is because somebody has looked at the case and realized that the case is strong.
Kusenjalo ihlukene imbono yezakhamuzi zaseQwaqwa malungana nokwethulwa kwalolu hlelo lwezokuphepha ngamaholide kaKhisimusi.
I'm happy about the cars, yes, but the changes, I don't think we are there yet.
I'm very worried about the corruption that is happening inside our Amaluti and the gender violence.
Ucele uphinde wakhuluma nezakhamuzi zaseQwaqwa esikhumulweni samatekisi iSitseng. Lolu hlelo lwezokuphepha olwethulwe namhlanje kuzosetshenzwa ngalo kuzona zonke izifundazwe.
Kusenjalo umasipala oMbaxa eNelson Mandela ubeke bucala imali engange 4.2 million yerandi ukulungiselela lo myadala womculo isummer season. Lo myadala uza kubanjwa phansi kwemiqathango engqingqwa yokuthintela ukunwena kwentsholongwane icorona. Kwaye uza kubanjwa kusetyenziswa ubuxhakaxhaka beInternet ngenzame zokukhawulelana neengxaki zecorona.
Sine events ezininzi esizilayinileyo abantu abazawuya kuzo, but obviously sakwenza izinto ngohlobo olungaqhelekanga because of le meko uyibekayo. Into yamanani anyukayo iyasixhalabisa as a city, iyasixhalabisa ngoba abantu baye bahlisa igazi balibala into ba iCovid ayikemki.
Lo msitho ubuphehlelelwa namhlanje kodwa uyophazanyiswa ngabo bakwicandelo lobugcisa nenkcubeko nabebeqhankqalaza bebonakalisa ukungaxoli kwabo.
Okoko kwaqala iCovid-19 ngoMarch apha kule metro akho relief fund ekhutshweyo to artists, akukho virtual platforms apho sibukela abantu babhatalwe, akho mali ibhatelweyo, kodwa nangona kunjalo masipala uphisa ngemali kwi-National Arts Festival zako Grahamstown.
Awuzokubakho umsitho ukuqhushunjiswa kwe-fireworks kulwandle lwaseHobi ngenxa yentsholongwane icorona. Ndikuzolani Moya wendaba ze-SABC ndiseBhayi.